Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Never been to the Goodwill Outlet? Well, hold on to your hats. This is going to be an experience. So we're on our way to the Goodwill Outlet, and there's a few things to remember. You want to bring a bin to put all of the things that you purchased in your trunk in, because they don't have any bags to bag your items, as well as some people bring Purell for hand sanitizer and gloves. Let's head inside. So when you get to the Goodwill Outlet, they have these large blue bins everywhere, and you simply just start digging. Everything is sold by the pound. Most things are $1.19 and then 19 cents for each item of glassware per pound, and then 25 cents per inch on the binding of a book. This place is absolutely massive. You could spend hours here, and every 10 minutes, they move out carts that are mostly empty and bring in brand new carts. But watch out for those brand new carts. People gather around and they do what's called crashing the carts. I've got some video of them doing that at the end of this tour, so stay tuned. You'll get to see kind of what that looks like. But that's where the best deals are. It's stuff that has not been picked through. But if you are a hunter, you will love this place. Digging and digging, I always find gems, and you can't beat the price of $1.19 per pound in purchasing a lot of what you see at the Goodwill Outlet. This place is just absolutely amazing. You can just find so much stuff. Again, the prices are marked everywhere on the wall. $1.19 per pound, 19 cents per glassware, 25 cents per inch of binding on the books. And then furniture is usually priced as marked. I've got a section of furniture that I'll show you a little bit later, but you just take a cart, fill it up, and then I usually just fill it with the things that look interesting, and then at the end, right before I'm ready to purchase, I just scan everything, get rid of the things that aren't worth anything for me to resell, and then I buy only what I like. This particular trip, I ended up spending about $23. You'll have to check out my video that I did where I show you what I got. Here's me searching. Just so many things to look at. Sterling silver and clothing and lots and lots of household items. These things are just amazing. Here is the furniture section here. They've got bikes in there. Everything is tagged. $5 for a chair, $3 for a chair. Perfect for the furniture rehabber. I've also got a video on how to do some furniture rehab with my friend Ashley. Check that out. Lots and lots of different pieces of furniture that you can find here at the Goodwill Outlet. Just dirt cheap. Most things were priced $15 to $10 to $5 in this furniture section, and a lot of it's really nice. Dressers, curio cabinets, hutches, buffets, nice tables, really, really cool stuff. You can find some very unique things there. That's me and my son comparing what we found at the Goodwill Outlet. He loves to pick there as well. Now that you've seen most of the household stuff, let's move on over. There's an entire book section here. Amazon was started by selling used books, so you too could make a profit here. There's records and books and DVDs. Some are actually still brand new, sealed in the original packaging. But there are a lot of gems here in this book section. As you can see, just tons and tons of books here. It just goes on for miles. There's the DVDs, stickers, kids' books, coloring books. Great place to stock your library if you're looking for some kids' books. I spent 2 hours searching at this Goodwill Outlet to find lots of treasures and gems. Remember me talking about crashing the carts? Well, this is what it looks like. They just crowd around, and you can watch out. They've got elbows and everything, but they want to get what's the brand new stuff coming right out of the back stock room. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Goodwill Outlet and you have found some really fun things. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your name in lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.